Okay, I never thought I would make a video about this again, but I feel like I just need to. It's been something that I can't handle about it. I just feel like I just need to talk about this again. To make sure that someone knows. And that they really should have noticed in the first place. What you can see on screen is artwork of Dr. Wolf commissioned for a certain YouTuber, a sort of drama channel at the time, and he made videos about Dr. Wolf, and one of them involved this piece of artwork as the thumbnail. Apparently, the commissions were hate commissions. And the YouTuber in question is FNGR, also known as For No Good Reason, also known as Anthony. I can't pronounce his last name, but anyways, he made videos about Dr. Wolf and his friends, including Josh Scorcher and Lightning Bliss, because he just hated them. He just wanted to create drama, make fun of them, talk badly about them. I don't know what was his problem. I didn't even notice it until until a couple of months ago. No, scratch that. Like a year and a half, like a half of a year ago. And I was not happy about this at all. I mean, FNGR hasn't made a video or anything in like months or so. And that's fine. That's completely fine. I'm fine with that. That's good. Because I do not want to hear him run his goddamn mouth anytime soon. But what really bothered me about it is that I made videos about talking about the situation, tagging certain creators in the title of my videos, to see if they noticed. One of them did, and that just so happened to be Lightning Bliss. She told me that it was none of my goddamn business, that I shouldn't tag them in my videos. I understand, yes, and it was also during a bad time, because at that time she had lost her brother. She had lost her brother, Fog Marble, from being fatally hit and run by a speeding vehicle. And the driver did not stop. And there still hasn't been any updates on it. The one who killed Fog Marble hasn't been brought to justice, or, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, it was at about time, and I regret it, but at the same time, I really wanted Lightning Bliss, Dr. Wolf, and Josh Scorcher to know what kind of person FNGR was. For the record, he wasn't your friend. He was just some, acquaintance that just so happened to be in your videos, just a few of them. He didn't care about you. He didn't care about your friends. He doesn't even care about the safety of children, either. Lightning Bliss told me again that it was none of my business. But then she had the audacity. She had the freaking audacity to say that I'm just making up assumptions. What the fuck did you just say to me? You're a grown woman. You're a freaking grown woman who's older than me, obviously. And you're supposed to be what? A mature adult who understands basic knowledge and who understands that having toxic, bad people in your life is not good. It's terrible. It's horrible. And you should know better. But no. She thought I was making up assumptions. Let me just show you. This is a playlist that I made showing all of the videos, or at least most of them, where FNGR talked about Dr. Wolf. And let's just say oh, after I made my videos and Lightning Bliss responded to them, and I deleted those videos, guess what asshole decided to make a video about? Leo Convoy. A person who harasses, bullies, doxes, stalks children, literal children. This man made a video about Dr. Wolf's video about June Critic. And while I do agree with Leo about some of the things, especially since he thinks that Dr. Wolf should delete his video, which I agree, but at the same time, this guy is just a piece of crap. Like I said, Leo Convoy has bullied, harassed, stalked, and doxed literal children. And FNGR is a jealous sociopath. And as for Lily Orchard, who used to be friends with Josh, or Josh used to be friends with Lily, for people who don't know, the main thing that Lily, the most common and most, how can I say this? The most recurring thing about Lily that people probably don't know about her is that she's obsessed with incest. She's obsessed with incest. Specifically, siblings. Sisters. This woman is absolutely messed up. Apparently, due to her fucked up family. So we have 3 people who I just hate so much, just by knowing about them. Lily Orchard, obsessed with incest. FNGR, a sociopath who doesn't care about anyone. Yeah, really. And Leo Convoy, a fat ass, white ass, lion fursuited freak who bullied, harassed, stalked, and doxed literal children. I am not making this up. To Lightning Bliss specifically, I hate the fact that you said that I'm making up assumptions. Bitch, look at this. Look at this. You are clearly looking at something right now. Let me just show you more proof. like this. 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 I just... So, FNGR has made a video. His most recent video was a live stream 7 months ago, and I'm pretty sure he'll never make a video again. At least, I hope so. Which, good. Good. This piece of shit shouldn't be on YouTube anymore. He shouldn't. This video was obviously about I Love Kim Possible, also known as KP. This person, Merchant Resident Evil 4211, says, "Dude, you lost credibility years ago. Pack it up and go, bud." And then FNGR talks about something else entirely, and this person's like, "This isn't even about Jordan. It's funny that you think you can just come back. You haven't been relevant since 2020. Which is actually true. And apparently, Lightning Bliss decided to just pop up out of nowhere and say to this guy, "Hey, FNGR is an adult, and he can do whatever he wants. Sure, you might say to him to get out, but he won't." And I understand that. But you also said that this person dodged what FNGR was saying. Excuse me? Do you think I'm fucking blind? No! For some reason, okay. Let me just... Sorry. Okay, so 2 replies, and then there's 4 more. But, I mean, Lightning Bliss's comments are there. I just don't see them for obvious reasons. But apparently she might have deleted one of her comments. And if it's the one where she said you're dodging his response, or the other thing where it's probably none of my business, so I can just leave it at that. Have a good day. Like, really, bitch? This person said, "Firstly, I never dodged his point. I'm fully aware that they accused Leo. I never sided with them. This is about KP and her response." Clearly. I mean, read the room. Read the fucking room, bitch. Second, FNGR is a grifter grifting off of KP's response to stay relevant. It wouldn't shock me if you came here in defense of him. Oh yeah. I advise you to do your research. Totally. Lastly, I'm inclined to not tell you if I'm being serious or just trolling. Why does that matter? Exactly. And then FNGR talks about something else. This guy's stupid. And this person's like, "Brother, I didn't do anything to you. Why am I catching strays?" I know what that means, and it's fitting. So yeah, Lightning Bliss, why? Why do you have to be such a bitch? Like, get out. Remove your comments from this. I hate you.